Hello, my name is Vu and I'm the instructor for the design of online educational resources one of the um, courses in the joint MA training program between Ho Chi Minh City University of Education and the University of Houston. You can see my passport photo in the course here. I know that I am supposed to do the report of what we have been doing so far in the course in writing, but for this course I feel it kind of hard for me to explain clearly what we are doing and the progress that we have made. I decided to do a video report then. Hope that it can clearly demonstrate what we have been doing so far. So first thing first, the most important thing I have done for this course is that I have created an online course that covers nearly all of the topics that will be covered in the training agenda that I got from the University of Houston. As you can see, we use the latest Moodle platform, and this system get the M-Learning domain because it is possible for students to access the contents and the material of the course on their mobile devices like iPad or smartphone. Now, so in the parking lot area, you can see that I have created 4 different forums for student discussions and exchanges of ideas. The news forum is used for posting announcements and updates from the instructor of the course only. A resource forum is where students can share resources that they find useful during the course. Course Q&A is the forum that students can post questions and get answers from their peers, as well as feedbacks or answers from the instructors. And coffee bar is the place where students can chit chat and talk about things that are off track in the discussions forums. In the parking lot area, I have also created the offline attendance track, and as you can see from the profile here, up to now we have already done 4 face-to-face meetings, and this Friday it will be our 5th meeting. So we are somehow in the middle of the course, and the entire course is expected to last for 10 weeks. So that's the offline attendance track, and I do this for every meeting. In order to make sure that the student come on time and attend all of the class sessions. The online attendance registers is a tool that is created to monitor the amount of time that students spend online. As you can see, I have just updated the register, and you can see how much time each student has invested online in the course. So I'm quite impressed by the number of hours that our students have put in our course. Most of them have more than 10 hours in the register. That means these are the time that they put in the course outside the face-to-face classes that we have in the university computer lab. Now we have just finished topic number 3, HTML basics, and for the rest of the course we will move on to learning to create websites with Dreamweaver, and then we'll spend just a little bit of time learning to use hot potatoes, because it's a very useful tool for building educational resources. Then we will move on to website evaluation and wrap things up for the final projects of the course. Now, in the get started topic is basically orientations about what students are supposed to do and how they are going to be evaluated, what resources are required. In the get started topic, you can see that we have a very interesting activities in which students introduce each others in a new voice. So they are required to assume a different role to talk about themselves, and you can see that all our students are very eager in posting about themselves like this. And you can see that from time to time I come into the forum and join their discussion too. This is another. Now I find that having discussion forum like this one is a very good way to develop language skills for the students, to motivate student interest in the course, and at the same time develop technology skills for the students. In topic 2, we cover during week 2 and week 3, we explore the use of XML technology for building Web 2.0 resources, and as you can see, for both the orientations and the topic on XML technology, students have to work on hands-on assignment that they work 2 points out of 24 for the whole 12 hands-on activities. When finishing the topic on XML technology, students were required to do reflections, and as you can see, their feedbacks are quite positive about the contents of the topic. During the last 2 weeks, we were here discussing HTML and learning about basic HTML coding to create a very simple website. Now, as you can see, we have lots of tutorial movie posted, and all of these movies were created by the instructor of the course. Basically, we will learn more HTML tags.
For this practice, we are going to create another web page for another poem, and there will be a picture.
Okay, so this tutorial movie will help students a lot when they need to practice what they have done in the class again. You will see an HTML tag glossary activities in a topic in which students are required to explain various HTML tags and how they are used to create an HTML website. In the hands-on number 3, students have submitted the HTML page that they designed, and as you can see, these are all the files that students created while working on the topic. So these are good sources to help the course instructors understand how well students have already understood the key concepts. Now there is a topic reflections for learning HTML here. And from the reflections, we can see that students are quite excited to learn about HTML coding, and nearly all of them are new to HTML coding, and you can tell that this is the interesting experience for them. Yeah, like this. Okay. Feel like it's a marvel to create their own website simply using Notepad. Alright, so those are the activities that we have done together during the past 4 face-to-face sessions. In the coming sessions, we start working on Dreamweaver, and then this is the main application that we use to build the final project. And after that, we will learn about website evaluation, and we'll stick quite strictly to the course outlines that the program coordinator sent at the beginning of the course. Well, that's all for my report. Thank you very much.